Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to clean condenser coils for your refrigerator. Begin by unplugging the refrigerator completely to remove electrical power before servicing internal parts for safe and reliable operation. Locate the bottom grille panel at the base of the refrigerator, which covers the condenser coils. Remove the access panel, or base grille, carefully to expose the condenser coils. Vacuum dust and debris from the coils to remove loose buildup from the coil surfaces. Use a coil brush to remove remaining debris from between the coil fins. Reinstall the access panel or base grille to restore the refrigerator to its original configuration. Finally, plug the refrigerator back in to restore normal operation after completing all maintenance steps.